Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back. This is John at Fog City RC. Week 11 Driftomaniacs Challenge, jump to it. So in the spirit of jump to it, let's jump into it. Cam, show them the 20 feet that we've got marked out. 20 feet is what we have to work with. Okay. This ramp can be no more than 4 feet tall. And look at this, guys. So this is where we're gonna switch the cameras because my boy is very tall. What's that say, Cam?
Was that like 87?
87 inches, guys. Going back to Cam here. I've got the tape measure.
Oops.
All right. And we got a little landing pad over there because you know what? I don't want to break anything. So 87 inches. Low C Mini T 2.0. We have to land it in all four wheels inside the 20-foot marker. Are you ready, Cam?
Yeah.
And that would be a winner, guys. If you like this stuff, subscribe. Give me a thumbs up, and we'll see y'all later.